Good morning, children. Today I'll be teaching you a new chapter, chapter 7, Flavors of Kashmir. Before I could start with this chapter, I would like to draw your attention towards our country, India. Now, India is a very vast country, and there are different states and union territories in India. Even the geographical structure of our country differs from area to area, as well as the climate and food habit, the cuisine or the eating habits also differ from different state to different union territories. Now, this chapter is related with food and cuisine of Kashmir. Similarly, like there are some food dishes that is given in your page, which are famous of different states. Like Rasgulla is famous in West Bengal. The Mysore Pak is famous in Karnataka. The Shahi Tukra is famous in Uttar Pradesh and the Ghirwa is famous in Rajasthan. Similarly, Kashmir also has a unique food and fascinating food tradition. Kashmir is not only known for its scenic beauty around the world, but it is also known for its varieties of food, cuisine that is available. The food of Kashmir, the varieties of food that is being cooked and made over there. So in this chapter we'll be highlighting on some of the foods that the Kashmiri people consume and which is also preferred by other tourists and people from around the world. So please pay attention while I read and explain the chapter. Kashmir is often referred to as paradise on earth because of its natural beauty. Now, Kashmir is often referred to as paradise on earth for its scenic beauty, for its natural beauty. It is not only recognized in India but also in the world for its beautiful, lush, green valleys covered with pine trees, the snow-covered Himalayan mountains, the crystal clear blue water that flows from the stream, then the beautiful flowers that grow over there, the Dal Lake, the shikaras, and so on, the houseboats and so on. There are different things that is very beautiful. There are varieties of things to see over there. It's very beautiful, and so on. Similarly, most of the tourists who doesn't know that Kashmir is also famous for its food. It's also famous for its food. As it is famous for its scenic beauty, similarly it is also famous for its cuisine. The different varieties of food that is prepared, the Kashmiri food that is being prepared and consumed by the people of Kashmir. So let's come into the chapter. We'll come to know the entire things in detail. What are some of the famous food or cuisine that is available in Kashmir and which is not only enjoyed by the Kashmiri people but also enjoyed by some of the tourists. Okay. Now, when we think of Kashmir, the image of everything is beautiful in nature arises before our eyes. We think of the majestic snow-covered Himalayas, the green valley with pine trees, the clear and cold mountain stream, garden filled with flowers, and the Dal Lake with its houseboats and shikara. Over hundreds of years, people of different regions and tradition have shared their culture in this land. The mixing of tradition has given Kashmir a cuisine that is full of varieties and flavors. Now, as I have told you before, Kashmir is not only known for its scenic beauty, but is also known for its cuisine. When there were over hundreds of years ago, there was a mix of tradition. When this mixture of tradition took place, a new cuisine was being born and arise, and this cuisine also became as famous as the scenic beauty of Kashmir. The people of Kashmir love to drink tea to keep themselves warm. Now, as it's a cold region, so that people of Kashmir, they usually love to consume a lot of tea to keep themselves warm. The traditional tea of Kashmir is called the noon chai or the sheer chai. The noon chai or the sheer chai. This is the traditional tea of Kashmir, the noon chai or the sheer chai, which is the traditional tea of Kashmir, and the people consume this with consume it during morning, during the breakfast time with bread, different types of traditional breads, or they have it in noon to protect themselves from the cold and to keep themselves warm. Sheer chai. It is an important part of breakfast and supper during evening supper, and is usually had with various types of traditional bread. Now this tea is usually consumed during breakfast and during the evening. During the evening, that is supper during the evening, they have this at that time to protect themselves from the cold, and they have this tea with bread, with their traditional bread. This tea is usually prepared with green leaves and milk and salt. Now this tea is usually prepared with milk, salt and green tea leaves, and a pinch of baking soda is added in it, which gives it a pink color. A pinch of baking soda is added in it, which gives it this unique pink color. For that reason it is known as noon chai or sheer chai, which is also known as salty or milk tea. Are you clear? Now there is another type of tea which Kashmiri people enjoy drinking, and this tea is being served during special occasions like marriage or any kinds of festive season. So there is another special kind of tea which is being served by the Kashmiri people during marriage or any other traditional rituals when it goes on. That tea is known as Khawa tea. That tea is known as Khawa tea. And this has been prepared by using saffron, spices of different types, almonds and walnuts. Now the Khawa tea is being prepared by using saffron, spices of different types. It can be cardamom, cinnamon and so on, different types of spices, as well as almonds. Almonds are badams in Hindi, and walnuts, which we call it in Hindi akhroot. So this Khawa tea is usually prepared during traditional, if it's a wedding ceremony or some traditional ritual if it's going on, then this tea is served to the guest. Are you clear? So children, I'll explain the remaining chapter in the next class. Until then, thank you.